The demand for disposable cup lids is enormous, but they are small, light, and thin, making them prone to falling apart when stacked, which is troublesome to package. Manual bagging and sealing are usually the methods used. This video introduces a fully automatic cup lid bagging and sealing machine. The first step was to design a baffling conveyor to prevent the cup lids from separating during the transporting process, and can be customized according to the number of rows. Next, a pusher was used to replace the traditional belt-driven feeding method. Similarly, ensure that the cups do not fall apart during the bagging process. Because of the sealing process, there is a gap before delivery. Therefore, a pneumatic sealing device is designed here to prevent the cup lid from falling into this gap and getting stuck. Finally, the bag is sealed. A continuous side seal design is used here, which does not impose any particular restrictions on the length of the product. We specialize in providing customized packaging solutions. If you are interested in our solutions, please subscribe to our channel. We will continuously display updated back-end packaging solutions. Thank you for watching our video.